Christmas is peace. Peace. Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's me, Bakisa, and welcome back to the Canva Cafe. And we're going to continue this series, Canvamas. I don't know what day number we on, but it's not important. So I'm reiterating Canva's new function, gradient fonts, and it's being used with an app that's inside of Canva. If you go to your app and then you go to, I can't even see what I'm clicking. Hold on, y'all. Well, you see right there on the screen, type gradient. I believe that's what it said, okay? So once you engage the app, you can go right to this box right here and type whatever it is that you want to type. And so I'm removing the default one that's there. And at the bottom, if you can look at the left-hand side, it also shows you what you're typing while you're typing it. I wish they would blow it up a little bit different so you can really see what you're typing. And I wish eventually you didn't have to use the app, that you could just do it from the font section. So anyway, this is what it would look like. I'm typing a word here. So I'm going to probably, I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then I'm going to do a quick tutorial. You can look and watch how I utilize it. So you are able to pick a font that you like. And then you can go back, and as you can see, that's what it would look like in the font that you choose. And right here is where you change your colors on this color wheel. So you can pick whatever colors you want for the font. And if you click in between the spaces where the three circles are, you can add what they call a stop, which means you can add another space for another color. And once you add the colors that you want, you just click the white box again where the words are typed, and then you can preview the new gradient that you've completed. And once you do that, you just add it to the page where it's that purple box at the bottom. You just click the purple box and it'll come to the page. And right here, I'm just swiping this little color wheel thing. I don't know what you call it. And that helps you decide where you want the gradient to fall, like all the colors. So when you move the wheel, as you saw, it'll determine where those particular colors fall. And you just add it to your page. And you can actually just download it just like that with a transparent background and re-upload it into your design, and then add a little bling or something like that to make it really look, because the bottom one is like a silver metallic, so you would add a little bling to make it look more silver. And if you did a gold one, you could add a gold bling. And as you can see, you can choose whatever colors, and you can change your background so you can see what it would look like on the background before you decide what you want. It's not written in stone, so if you want to change it, all you have to do is click the font again and go back to edit and change up the colors, change up the rotation of the highlights in there, and then you just update. You would hit update image, and that's really all. I just have extra stuff on here because I'm extra. So at the end of this, I will show you how I utilize it to make my thumbnail. And I did 11 steps. You don't want to do all those steps. I'm just weird and extra. Okay. So that was my original flyer for my thumbnail. And then I realized, why didn't I change the font into a gradient font like what the tutorial is about? So you can just look and watch. It's everything I just said before. And you can utilize, after you've written so many words like I have, you can go down to the, that line right there that I'm pushing. As you can see it to the bottom, it'll make the spaces wider or thinner in between. I think it's called line height. I can't see from here, but you guys can see. And I just wanted to get this video up because I got to go back to some people's job tomorrow and work a double shift. So when y'all are seeing this video, I'll be at those people's job working. Okay. And see, right now I'm clicking. As you see, I'm clicking And so is my alerts on my phone. It's clicking. And as I click, it's just adding more spaces to add more colors. So the more spots you hit on that line at the top is the opportunity to add more colors and 5011 colors. So I'm just doing it so you can see all the colors I added and all these weird things that I did. And as you see, I moved that little wheel thing right there, and it determines where the highlight will be. And the highlight is white because that's the color I chose in the middle of the color wheel. But if you change the color, which I'm just trying to do different colors so you can see what happens when you do, use different colors. And I added it to my page. And what I wanted to do is kind of size it up to be the same size as the words that I previously had. And you could overlap it over something else or put it behind something else. But I'm just putting the outline font over it just to emphasize it a little bit more. And because I had a little extra too much time on my hands. So what had happened was some of the letters didn't line up. So I ended up deleting it and doing some of the words word by word. And some of them I ended up having to do letter by letter because the spacing was a little bit off. I hope y'all can still hear me. I got a little overzealous and pulled my microphone off. So if you heard something, that's me fighting with my microphone. And I hope you're loving this Canva series. I'm really enjoying making it. It's just making time to make it. But I really hope y'all love it. And I'm trying to make it through all the way to Christmas. And feel free to copy any of the flyers that you see me make on my page. I am not offended. Just tag me so I can see what you did and how you made it your own. But feel free to copy how I do stuff. I don't care. And thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Christmas is peace.